They asked, how do you make $100,000 in 1 year? Stay tuned. What's up, guys? It's your girl Monica Mo Got Sales Allen, and bringing you another video. So first thing I want to do is first thank you for just being here again with me, hanging out with me one more time on a video. Not gonna make it too long. Just make sure you hit the subscribe button in the meantime. Make sure you go ahead and ding that bell as well so you can get an update on whenever I drop a video. Dropping them pretty frequently now. But let's talk about this thing, guys. $100,000 a year. $100,000 a year means that you're making almost 3 times as much as the average American, okay? So the average American makes a little less than $40,000 per year, which means that if you're making $100,000 per year, you're making more than most people in America, and that's crazy, okay? But it's all possible, very much possible. I'm living proof of it. So if someone had told me, 2 years ago, hell, someone told me a year ago that I'd have the income potential that I have now, as well as the income that I have coming in now, I wouldn't believe them. But I live in a digital world now, so everything's possible. But let's talk about this thing. So $100,000 a year, what does that mean for you, okay? I choose, of course, social media marketing, digital marketing. I choose an agency, okay? And I chose to open an agency because it would the profit margins are so high. You have a few different ways to make money online. You have affiliate marketing, you have Amazon FBA, you have Amazon fulfillment, you have e-com, you have, oh my God, the opportunities are limitless, okay? And not downplaying any of those, because I have friends who are successful in those business ventures, and that's amazing. It's just amazing. It's just not for me. So with social media marketing, with digital marketing, I've been able to scale my income to over 6 figures per year with just a few people, with working with just a few people. So my agency has a few clients now. So my agency has scaled, for instance, I'm working with a few real estate agents. Just with those retainers alone, I have 4 clients. And just with those 4 clients alone, my income has scaled to over $100,000 per year. I'm at close to $112,000 per year. Okay, that's just in residuals. Now, I haven't started really scaling that yet. So of course it's going to end up being more than that. And the great part about it is it doesn't take a lot of people. You build your system on the back end, you get everything, you get your machine on the front end, and the only thing you do is you pour people into your system, okay? You have a system that runs regardless if you're working or not, and you pour people into it. But the reason why I say that's the easiest way to make money is because it doesn't take a lot of skill. Pretty much everything in social media marketing and digital marketing, you're able to outsource to people who already have that type of experience. So you're not really having to do a whole lot of thinking, because as for me, I didn't have a lot of experience to begin with about running different ads, running social media, running whatever types of content that I offer, running SEO. However, my team has that experience. So you build you a team and build your machine on the back end that your team runs through. That way you're able to outsource these things. You're able to build you a team. You're able to have these people that come together on your terms to be able to provide for your clients. So to me, that's just the easiest way to scale to $100,000 plus per year. But I want to know what you think. I want you to drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Have you made $100,000 in a year? And if so, how did you do it? So I want to know. Let's talk, guys. But again, I appreciate you being here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Peace.